Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechSprites. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with WordPress. So basically, if you need to add a custom form, a tracking pixel, or a unique design element to your WordPress site, I'm going to be showing you how to do the custom HTML block, which is the first method to add this directly here into WordPress. So the easiest way to add an HTML to the specific post, to the page, to the custom HTML block, just what I need to do first of all is to get started with my element of my website. Let's go home for my home dashboard of my WordPress. And of course I needed to go and focus with the actual editor. So what I needed to do now is to get started with the Elf site. Now Elf site can be helping me to add widgets, the websites, explore new sections, and basically it's going to be really helpful to getting started with website, which is totally for free. You can only add one element using Elf site, but basically you can do almost anything you want to. For example, an untitled AI chatbot, for example, and usually what you have is this specific embedded code, an HTML code that I needed to add. Of course, I have my actual code. How can I add this directly into my WordPress? That's right. So the first thing I need to do, of course, is to hit into the edit tab, for example, the plus button, and I type the word HTML file. I have the custom HTML, and I go for edit the HTML, and I paste my HTML. I hit for the option that says edit the code, update. Just like that, it will be appearing now the actual element of my template. So as you can see, it will be now appearing inside there. We have now, for example, the visualize of how it should be appearing like this, and it will be appearing all in there. So here's the best part. You hit into the option that says preview and you're actually good to go. The second method, for example, is like a site-wide code. So what you needed to, if you needed to add, let's say for example, like a Google Analytics or Metapixel, for example, you needed to install the WP code plugin. So for that, you need to head back directly into your WordPress dashboard. Let's go for exit bar into WordPress and hit for the option that says exit. And directly into your dashboard, what you need to do is to make sure that inside here, I click directly into this element, WP administrator bar. I hit for the option that says add my own, and install an actual plugin in order to have access directly into it. And the third method would be the full page code editor. So for advanced users who want to see the HTML for the entire page, you can switch the whole editor view. So the revealing the raw code for your entire post is perfect for cleaning up messy formatting or adding custom attributes to existing blocks. But once again, this is only available for in my case, for example, for advanced coding of WordPress. If you want to mess around in that, like the most easiest element is just to make sure that you have the free version and hit for the option that says adding your new block, and you're actually good to go. So basically, this is how you can actually get started with a really easy tutorial. I'm going to just stick around with the free version, and basically that will be actually it. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like the WordPress. A really easy tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we will see you guys next time.